Creators probably can't trust Congress to pass a law that's going to stop AI from ripping on their art, so what tools does intellectual property have right now that creators can actually use to protect their art from AI? Of course, if there's copyright infringement, copying a legally significant amount of an original work of authorship not in the public domain, then that copyright infringement lawsuit's always an option. But there's some other tools that artists need to be aware of. The first one is trademark law. Even though the laws weren't written with AI in mind, they have a lot of great tools. Generally speaking, trademark infringement is when there's a likelihood of confusion about the designation of source, where a good or a service is coming from. As an artist, you are the source. You are where your art comes from. When people go to see Taylor Swift in concert, they're going to see Taylor Swift. She's the source of the art. That same principle can be applied against AI. It's not a perfect solution, but when artists register trademarks in their voice and their image as a designation of source for a good or a service, they can enforce that against any AI that creates a likelihood of confusion in the marketplace. So your trademarks as an artist are your first line of defense against AI right now. Another option out there is your rights of privacy and rights of publicity. These rights have been in the spotlight for a while now, and you may know them as NIL, name, image, and likeness. There's no federal NIL law right now, but generally speaking, most states protect some form of rights of publicity and rights of privacy. The main way this shows up today is that companies can't use celebrities' name, image, and likeness to promote their product without permission. They pay for that. This same principle could be applied to AI in the form of a likeness. If an AI likeness is similar enough to an individual, that could be violating rights of publicity or rights of privacy, and as far as I'm concerned, that would be a viable claim you could at least try in court to see how well it does. Now, these aren't perfect solutions, but they're what we've got right now, and we can't bank on Congress to protect artists' rights. I'm an entertainment attorney. On this channel, I talk about legal issues that artists, athletes, and creators face in the entertainment world. If you want to hear more about that, follow along.